a very exciting time for Jaguar, and I'm very excited that we have opportunity now to show you the all-new Jaguar F-Type.
So we're here today at the Jaguar Design Studios, and we're going to use a Hot Wheels car and Hot Wheels track to take you on a tour through the design studio.
We're going to be running a 1/64 scale version of the new Jaguar F-Type all around the facility here.
This is one of the most complicated builds that I've ever had a chance to work on. We're figuring it's going to take about 1 minute to 2 minutes to navigate the entire 200 meters of track, so every little bump on the road, every little twist and turn has to be laid out just perfectly.
The actual Hot Wheels model is superb. It's been brilliantly done. It really represents the design very well. We worked together with the Hot Wheels team to create something really special.
We are proud of bringing fun into design, and I think, you know, as car designers, we're all children at heart. You know, seeing the car at first glance, it exactly, you know, mimics the front end design, and good surprise for me, the interior is very, very accurate as well.
It's so exciting to actually see the new F-Type in person here today for the first time. I've been seeing images of it on the screen. It doesn't disappoint. It's a beautiful car. The enhancements they made just set it over the top.
Hot Wheels is just a brand, you know, all designers love. So we're so excited to work with this company, which has been part of our childhoods, but also growing up. Really, you know, it's the first time little kids get to effectively drive a car.
You know, Hot Wheels has always been about excitement, it's about fun, it's about enjoyment, and that's what we feel the Jaguar brand brings to the world as well.